And of course, what kind of video would this be without a cold start? So of course, we gotta have a cold start. Oh, I gotta close the door. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, Modern Red Hemi brings to you another unboxing. All right, I wonder what's in these boxes. I think you guys might be able to tell. Everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have another unboxing. Boy, the FedEx man and those Amazonians, they just keep dropping stuff off at the door. But hey, let's do what we got to do. So you can see the box sitting behind me here. There's actually two of them. Let's see what we got. Looks like some fresh new tires. Let me see if I can get it out and hold the camera at the same time. All right, it's coming. There we go. All right, as you can see, there's the old tires on the rims and there's the new tires. I got the exact same thing, 28 by 10.5 by 18s. So we're gonna go get these mounted up today. We'll do a little drive, do a little discussion on the way there, and then we'll get these mounted, and the plan is to hit the track on Sunday. So let me go ahead and get these put in the car, and then we'll get going. All right, to make this work, I got to put the seats down. Slip this bad boy on the plastic. One old one in. Let's see if we can get one new one in. One old one, one new one. Now the other one is going to be a front seat passenger. By far not pretty, but it works. All right, let's get in the car and let's go. All right, everyone, we're mounted up in Shake and Bake and we're headed out. So I think what we're gonna try and do is figure out what it looks like on the way there, because I can't remember, you know, all the way there. But I think there's a few spots we can try and get some 0 to 60 pulls on the new Nitto 555Rs. That we didn't do in the initial review. So we'll see if we can get a couple good pulls in and get these tires mounted, and then, like I said, we're gonna hit the track on Sunday. But something else I'd like to talk about is, you know, Shake and Bake's longevity. So I've had this car. I bought it on Black Friday of 2016, so right after Thanksgiving, I went out, picked it up. If you haven't seen my story on why I bought the 5.7, and that's in one of the prior videos, please go ahead and check that out. That'll give you, the whole down low on why I got shake and bake over a couple other things that I could have bought. So I bought it, Black Friday 2016. Had it since then. Again, you can look back in one of the earlier videos. I talk about how I went about modding shake and bake. One of the first things I did not long after I bought it was I got the Flowmaster 40s to soup up the exhaust a little bit. That worked out well for a while. Then I went ahead and deleted the resonators. This is within the first probably 10,000 miles that I did this. Yeah, did that. Didn't think I had quite enough sound, so I went ahead and deleted the resonators. Still, that's still within probably the first 10,000 miles. Then I really got into to looking at performance mods. I wound up getting a good deal on the Scatpack Stage 2. So I went ahead and picked that up. I probably bought that around the, probably 15 to 17,000 mile range, give or take. Had that in the garage for a few months. Now we're talking right around the 25,000 mile range. So this was my daily driver. I was driving, give or take, back and forth between 50 to 60 miles a day. So I was putting quite a few miles on shake and bake. So back to the Scatpack Stage 2, I picked that up. That's, like I said, sat in the garage for quite a while, quite a number of months, until I could save up enough money and find a place that would do it cheap enough to do the cam install. So fast forward to 26,000 miles, give or take, is when I went ahead and I got the cam installed. When I got the cam installed, I also got the long tube headers and the high flow green cats from Cooks. So I did that around 26,000 somewhere, give or take, somewhere around in there. Then it was probably another 7-8 months, give or take. I went ahead and bought the Hellcat lifters, just because it was ticking like crazy, because the Scatpack Stage 2 doesn't come with new lifters. So I went ahead and bought the Hellcat lifters, took it back down, had them installed. Now we're talking, that was roughly 30,000, 35,000, somewhere around in there. So to date, literally today, I've got 66,198 miles on shake and bake. Knock on wood, the car has been bulletproof. This 5.7 has been incredible. The only issue I have had with shake and bake is the starter went out on me, and that went out on me somewhere around. That was probably somewhere around the 50,000 mile range, and I've got a really good relationship with my dealership, Hossier Dodge and Bowie. I got a great relationship with them. They did everything under warranty. So I do have the extended warranty. I know that sounds like a contradiction of terms with all the mods that I have, and I also got extended warranty, but it worked out for me so far. So like I said, I got a pretty good relationship with with my dealership, so they're willing to do you know, at least some things still under warranty. So so I didn't waste my money. I know that's the first thing a lot of people are going to say, but and yeah, like I said, 66,000 now, 200 miles, and she's been pretty much bulletproof. How many passes I have, I would be guessing at this point, because I haven't really kept track of how many passes, but I would say in the 200 range, maybe 300 range, passes in shake and bake, you know, going way back before I started modding all the way until today. So probably a good 300 or so, 300 or so passes. So, you know, whoever says these 5.7s, you know, aren't bulletproof, I don't think they have the experience to really say that, right? You know, you're gonna get your lemons, right? Don't get me wrong. There's gonna be some bad 5.7s out there, just like there's, you know, some bad LSs out there. Everyone talks up, you know, LS engines, but you know what? There's bad LS engines out there. So yeah, you're gonna get a lemon or two, but for the most part, from what I've seen, you know, looking on a lot of the 5.7s on YouTube, you know, it's got some of the same mileage as I do. These 5.7s are pretty much bulletproof. So all right, I'm done rambling for now. Let's see if we get up here a ways and see if we can't get a few pulls in somewhere. All right, that was a 4.5, not too shabby. A lot of spinning though, but 4.5. All right, 4.4, not too shabby, not too shabby. All right, we're headed home. Coming up under overpass, and you know the deal. We got to give it some sauce. Y'all ready for this? Yeah, a little short gap sauce, but you know, gotta love that exhaust note. And we got a little bit better overpass this time. Gotta love it. All right, that's gonna do it for this video. If you're stopping in for the first time and you like the content, please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification button, so then you know when I put up new content. For those returning, thank you for supporting the channel. I appreciate everyone for taking a few minutes out of their time to watch the videos. It really helps, believe me. Keeps me motivated, keeps me wanting to make more videos and give you guys more content. So appreciate it. That's going to do it for this one. We'll catch you next time.